how to allow camera access on Roblox. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Roblox and make sure that we are logged in into our account. Now, once you open your Roblox, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the bottom right corner of the screen and then click More, which is right here. Once you do that, just scroll down until you see the settings, which is right here. So click that also. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click account info. Once you're now on the account info, you will see this email. And then of course, in the age group, make sure that your age is 13 plus. And then of course, what we're going to do is to also of course add our email so that we can have access or use camera in Roblox. So once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go back into this part and then click on privacy and content restrictions. Once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to click on communication and then click camera input. Once you click camera input right there, as you can see, I haven't activated my camera input yet. So to do that, all you have to do is to click that one right there. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, join into one of the games in Roblox. So let's say, for example, that we want to play this. So play that. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just click this three horizontal lines in this part. So click that and then click on self view, which is right here. So click that. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to turn it on and then click while using the app. And then after that, as you can see, we have now allowed camera access on Roblox. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to allow camera access on Roblox.